Hello friends, today's activity is foil embossing. You will need a mount board, aluminium foil, jute string, glue and some paints. Draw a design of your choice on the cardboard or the mount board. So here you can see that I have already drawn a design on the mount board. The design is not very detailed because we are going to glue the string on the outline of this design. So whatever design you draw, see to it that you are drawing an open design, that is, which does not have much detail in it. Now we will apply glue on these outlines. And we will slowly glue this string on the outline. Carefully glue this jute string on the entire outline of your design. I have finished gluing the string on the outline of the design that I have drawn. So my first step was to draw the design on the cardboard. The second step was to glue the string on the outline of the design. Now we will follow the third step. For that we will need the aluminium foil. We will place this foil on the top of the design. So see, your foil is in the length. So we will place the foil like this. Unroll this and place my foil reverse like this. Just press this. See, I have cut this aluminium foil. And now very slowly I will start pressing it from the top. See that you are feeling the design. Now flip it again. And fold it. If you want, you can apply sellotape on these folded parts. You can see the designs can be seen very slightly, but we want this aluminium foil to fix very nicely. I'm going to use a earbud and very slowly I'm going to start. Be very gentle while pushing the aluminium foil in the gaps or the hollow parts. While pressing, if your aluminium foil tears, not to worry. We will just take a small piece of aluminium foil and put it under, or maybe glue it over this, and then again press it. First very gently feel the jute strings with your hand and then press it. So I have finished placing the entire aluminium foil on our mount board, and you can observe that the string design that we have done is embossed